Uline rolling toolbox. All right, unboxing. Okay, well, I got a little bit of straps going here. Not the sturdiest handle. You can see it kind of so like that. There we go. Was it broken or what's going on here? One side is clipped in and the other side is broken right out of the box. Thanks, Uline. Appreciate that. Yep. Well, there you go. One part's broken, or straight out of the box. One part's clipped in. This side's missing a roller or something. See, this one's got a roller. There we go. And this one's got nothing. So, I guess it broke off. It's kind of weird to even put back, unless maybe it's somewhere in the back or in the box. It's pretty cool. That's two. There you have it. Uline toolboxes. Oh, look at that. A metal hinge. That's pretty nice. I mean, why don't they just make it all out of metal? I guess plastic works.